How to insert auto updating table of content or index in the top of your document. Sometimes you are working in a like in a project where or in a notes where content is a lot, like multiple pages, like 30-40 pages. In this case you need a table of content in the beginning to move to particular sections very easily. So what we generally do is we insert table of content manually, like first heading is introduction, we put introduction and then put its page number on the right, and so on. We update our table of content. But as content updates, like you expand content, then you need to edit this table of content manually. So in this video I will tell you how to insert a table of content which automatically updates page number or page headings based on preferences. Whenever you add new heading, it automatically gets added in the table of content. So we will learn many things in this episode, like how to insert such table of content, auto updating, plus how to do editing, formatting in this table of content, as well as how to change hierarchy of this table of content. So let's start this. I already prepared. Let's first I remove this heading, and here it's removed. Yeah, I already prepared content for here properly. First you can see it's a random content, but to have a automatic updating table of content, you need to have proper formatting. Proper formatting means does not like your heading should be in capitals or something like, but these should be in a heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. These you can do modification as you needed, but these should be in heading 1, heading 2, such. Okay, so first do formatting in this way, then after adding whole your content and doing proper formatting, now it's time to insert table of content. So for that we will go to reference. Again you see the option is reference, then here table of content. Here these are the structures. Any structure you can choose. I am choosing the first one. So here you see I didn't update anything in the table of content, I just inserted. But what you can see here is headings with proper page numbers are already inserted in this. I didn't need to manually edit this thing. So this is the benefit of auto updating table structure. You see heading 1 is in page 2 and heading 5 in page 3. Let's check it out. Yeah, heading 1 in page 2 and heading 5 in page 3. You see, this is what I am talking about. So this is how we insert table of content. Okay, first you need to format your content accordingly, like headings should be in heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 in these, and after that you can insert in this way. I hope you now know the step to insert it. Okay, now I am moving forward, and let me tell you how to do updation in this. Okay, okay, this is your heading table of content. Now you want like your first headings. Yes, these should be in bold, so just select the first one, and heading 5 is also in this same category, heading 1. So do bold. When you first time click bold, then the heading which is selected does not get bold, rest gets bold. And when you click second time, then that heading gets bold as well. You can change here bold, italic, font structure, font name, everything you can change from here. This way you can do modification, formatting in a table of content. Now let's cover the final final part of this video, like changing the hierarchy. You can here now see like 3 headings are showing. Heading 1 showing, heading 2, heading. Suppose if you have further headings, so how to show those, or you don't want to show heading 3 and heading 7 here, then how to change this? So to change hierarchy, select your table of content, then right click on it, After right clicking, click on toggle field codes. Remember this option, and to do so you will not get any video in the internet. I learned this after a lot of, so I change it to 1 2. Okay, now again click right click on the heading and toggle field code will hide this. Okay, currently you are seeing heading 3, but we just edited its code to show only till heading 2. Like heading 2 structure like heading 2 and heading 6 are in same category. So this is, you currently you are showing heading 3 and heading 7 here because table is not yet yet updated. So for this, click on update table, update entire table, and now okay, you see all is hierarchy beyond heading 2 are gone now. You can see here, you if you update again entire table, this will not change because code is updated. And if you want to show further hierarchy, same go to toggle codes, and from there you can change it. So this way we can change, we can insert auto updating table, and we can reduce lots of manual work by updating automatically this table. I hope everything was clear to you in this video, and if you still have any query, let us know in comment.